Do you love figs? Keep watching. Did you know that fig leaves are edible and very healthy for you? You can have fig leaf tea. Yes, you heard it right. They have anti-diabetic properties, lower blood pressure. You can drink it from cough and you can cook with them. Grill, steam or bake. They have delicious aroma, something in between banana, vanilla and coconut with some nutty notes. It's mild, not overpowering, but gives beautiful aroma to the dish. Last year, I made fish and fig leaves. This year, I wanted to try something new, and I made those shrimp patties wrapped in fig leaves. They were absolutely delicious and very easy to make. Let me show you how I do this. Chop shrimp finely, not to the paste consistency, but pretty fine. You can use a food processor, but I needed some workout today, so I chopped it with a knife. Something like this. Add 1 egg white, black pepper to taste, fresh herbs. All the measurements are on my website, sweetzivile.com. Add fresh tarragon, chives, lime zest, and cheese, sweet Zivile chili oil, cornstarch, mix and set it aside. Pick nice leaves, cut the stems off and remove some hard part and at the base. Place a heaping tablespoon of shrimp mixture and wrap it. Secure with a toothpick. Bring the steaming pot or bamboo steamer to a boil, set it on a low heat, place the wraps in a steamer cover and steam for 10 minutes. And that's it! Ta-da! Enjoy! I hope you're gonna like it as much as we do.